My name is Myron Perez, and I graduated the Met Justice in 2010. Currently, I am a full-time student at Rhode Island College, and I am a youth development major with a minor in communications. Most of my classes consist of, after the general classes are done, I do a lot of social work classes, education classes, and nonprofit classes. Recently, I've been taking a lot of education classes, and for the most part, the level of student diversity when it comes to color is pretty low. In most of my classes, I am the only person of color, which kind of reflects the percentages because at Rhode Island College, it's a little shy of 20% when it comes to students of color. Uh, just knowing those statistics kind of makes me feel a little, self-conscious. And when I go in on the first day of class, I kind of look for other students of color. And if I do spot one out, I kind of feel like I'm more accepted or I'm more, wanted in the classroom because there's more of me in there, which can sound a little harsh, but that's the truth reality. Um, there's been a lot of times where I've experienced racism within the classroom just by students expressing themselves. Like one time we had a project and we were asked to kind of just talk about diversity or talk about different things that we wanted to, and we had a project to go out into the community. And my partner and I were required to go to Kennedy Plaza, and she told me that she didn't want to go to Kennedy Plaza because it was dirty and she thought that she was going to get into trouble down there. I found that offensive because Providence is what I know and that's where I grew up, and she was kind of like talking down on my city, so I kind of felt really bad about that. Most of the time when people talk like bad and stuff, I kind of professionally stand up or raise my hand and say how I feel about it and how I don't think it's appropriate. And for the most part, I end up being the only colored person, or it's two against the whole classroom. So they kind of look at me like, okay, your point was made, but they don't understand because they're not from here. And I don't really talk about other people's cities. So it's just something that you have to deal with going to college. And I mean, it happens. It happens in a lot of places, and it's gonna continue happening. So I'm happy that I'm learning to deal with it now. I do feel a little sad sometimes because some people don't respect where you're from or your background, but I'm making the best out of my college experience, and I've made a lot of great friends of color and Caucasian as well, and I'm just learning how to live life and dealing with it.